Hello, good afternoon, bonjour. I'm your host, Christin Bela. If you're watching this video, you probably want to learn how to be a better photographer with PICHA. So stay tuned. In this episode of tutorials, I'm going to give you a few tricks on how to improve your photography. Number one, element of storytelling, which means how to come up with a concept, how to come up with an idea and execute that idea in a photo shoot. Number two, how to pick the right equipment. Number three, where to find models. Number four, how to run a successful photo shoot. Number five, finding your style. Number six, what to avoid as a photographer. Number seven, post-processing with Lightroom. And number eight, post-processing with Photoshop. So stay tuned and don't miss out any episode.